So, sai, ¿cómo está? Haro, здравствуйте. Hello, everyone. Okay, I'm Jenny. Today's topic is two basement letter in Korea. 한국어의 겹받침, 받침이 두 개인 거죠. Like this, real pube. Here is two basement letters in here. Today's I talk about double base letter 겹받침, like this real pube, but originally in the beginning there is a case that only one base letter will come. For example, 한박 웃음, big letter, 어린이집, daycare center, 놀이동산, amusement park, 학교, school, 봄, spring, 여름, summer, 가을, fall, 겨울, winter. 이처럼 한박 웃음 and 린 of 어린이집, 놀, 동산, 학, 봄, 름, 을, 올, like this. Okay, there is a case one base letter will come, but do you see the base letter, double base letter, real pube? Okay, sometimes pronounced differently. In some cases, real pube sound can be pronounced as real, l, and pube, b sound. For example, 넓지, here's the double base letter, real pube, and sounded l. 리을, 넓지, wide. 열도록, 열도록이 is 여 and double base letter, real pube, and sounded 리을, l. 열도록. But look at the below. bobdda, step on. 밟고, step on and bobdda and 바, real pube, double base letter is real pube, sounded b, pube, p. So it sounded bobdda, step on, and 밟고. And then here is also 바 and double base letter real pube sounded pube, so it sounded 밟고. In this way, double base letter real pube is pronounced as real and pube, real, l, pube, b. Okay. Let me give you another example. For example, real pube sounded real. Okay, for example, 짧다, 얇게, 얇고, 넓지, 열도록. And 나, real pube sounded pube, b, 밟다, 밟고. Like this, double base letter real pube is the same, but each is pronounced differently. 예문 읽어보기. Read a sentence. 우리 집은 마당이 넓다. 사과가 덜 익어서 맛이 떨다. 이 옷은 두께가 너무 얇다. Please see below the vocabulary. 덜 익어서, underripe, 떨다, astringent, 얇다, thin. Just pay attention to the sound one more time. 우리 집은 마당이 넓다. 우리 집은 마당이 넓다. 사과가 덜 익어서 맛이 떨다. 사과가 덜 익어서 맛이 떨다. 이 옷은 두께가 너무 얇다. This dress is too thin. 이 옷은 두께가 너무 얇다. For this sentence, I made a sentence with myself with the sound of real pube. Two sounded real, l. And another example. Double bass letter real verb sounded verb b. 예문 읽어보기. Read the sentence. I'll read the sentence where real verb is sounded as b in sentences. verb. Please focus on the sound without explanation. 흙을 밟고 있는 아이들이 즐거워 보였다. 영희가 철수 발을 밟고 재밌어 했다. 고양이가 바나나를 밟다가 넘어졌다. 흙을 밟고 있는 아이들이 즐거워 보였다. 영희가 철수 발을 밟고 재밌어 했다. 고양이가 바나나를 밟다가 넘어졌다.